Thank you for taking a look at my 2008 Porsche Carrera S. The car has undergone a complete paint restoration with Premier Auto Armor and full ceramic coating. The video you see here has not been edited. The car looks that good in person. Headlights look brand new. The wheels, the dish in the wheels, the brake calipers have been ceramic coated as well. Car is in fantastic shape. 6-speed manual, short shift kit installed, sport chrono package, sport seats, full convenience package with steering wheel controls. The car also has a Pioneer sound system with Bluetooth and a rear-facing camera that goes along with the parking sensors. This is an outstanding sports car, fantastic value at this price, and I personally love it. If you'd like to take a look at it, or if you have any questions, please go ahead and send me a message through whatever website you are watching this on. You can also just call 951-444-1551, and let's take a listen to that cold start exhaust.